Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saw stands with wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the miter saw stand with wheels by Toyaki. This stand comes packed with features such as a robust steel frame supporting up to 500 pounds and adjustable arms to handle long workpieces. With its quick-release mounting brackets, attaching and removing your miter saw is a breeze. The design even includes wheels for added portability and foldable legs for easy storage. However, while the technical specs look great on paper, user reviews indicate mixed experiences. The lightweight construction, while making it easy to carry, might not feel as durable as some heavier models. At just 11.71 pounds, it's one of the lightest stands you'll find, but this may come at the cost of long-term stability. It's best suited for DIYers who need a temporary or portable solution rather than professionals working on heavy-duty projects daily. The pros of this stand include its affordability, portability, and simple setup. On the downside, it lacks the premium build quality and user experience of higher-ranked options. Overall, it's a decent choice for light tasks, but not ideal for demanding use cases. Coming in at number 4 is another Toyaki miter saw stand with wheels, but this one offers a slightly different experience with its heavier weight and improved stability. Like the previous model, it boasts a 500-pound load capacity, quick-release mounting brackets, and wheels for mobility. The foldable design is also present here, making it easy to store and transport. This version is heavier at 25.5 pounds, which lends it slightly more stability compared to its lighter sibling. The powder-coated finish ensures durability against wear and tear, while the extendable arms offer excellent versatility for longer materials. However, the usability of this stand still falls short of competing models in the same price range, especially when considering its lack of additional features like adjustable rollers or height customization. The main advantage of this model is its enhanced stability while still being portable. However, it doesn't quite justify the additional weight when compared to higher-end options. It's a step up from the previous Toyaki stand, but still not the best choice for professionals or those who demand premium performance. At number 3, we have the Bora Portamate PM4000B miter saw stand. This is a heavy-duty option crafted from stainless steel and tubular steel for unmatched durability. With a 500-pound load capacity and compatibility with miter saws up to 12 inches, this stand is built to handle serious tasks. It also includes a pedestal roller for extra support, which is perfect for working with longer materials. One standout feature is its ergonomic height of 36 inches, which reduces strain during extended use. The quick-attach saw mounts are easy to use and versatile enough to accommodate other tools like planers and jointers. However, this stand doesn't come with wheels, which limits its portability compared to other models on this list. At 38.7 pounds, it's also on the heavier side, making it less convenient to move around. Overall, the Bora PM4000B is an outstanding option for workshop enthusiasts who prioritize durability and stability over mobility. The lack of wheels is a drawback, but its robust design and added roller support make it an excellent choice for stationary setups. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Wen Universal Collapsible Miter Saw Stand. This is the budget-friendly champion at just $66.99, offering excellent value for money. It's designed to fit nearly every miter saw on the market, with a 350-pound load capacity and adjustable arms that extend from 36 to 80 inches to support boards up to 8 feet long. The quick-release brackets and collapsible design make it easy to set up, take down, and store. Despite being a budget option, the Wen stand offers surprising stability and reliability. At 25.9 pounds, it's lightweight but doesn't compromise on sturdiness, thanks to its powder-coated steel frame. However, it's not ideal for heavy-duty tasks or professional use, as the 350-pound limit and absence of wheels might be restrictive for some users. If you're a DIYer or hobbyist looking for an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use miter saw stand, the Wen Universal Collapsible Stand is a fantastic choice. Its pros include affordability, portability, and compatibility, while the cons are its lower load capacity and lack of wheels. Finally, at number 1, we have the Steelman Contractor Miter Saw Mobile Workstation. This premium option is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. It's packed with features like a 500-pound load capacity, universal tool mounts, and extendable material supports that adjust from 35 to 77 inches. The folding legs and quick-release levers make setup and takedown a breeze, while the capped feet ensure it won't damage finished surfaces. The Steelman stand's portability is unmatched thanks to its sturdy wheels and convenient carrying handle. At 40.8 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but this weight contributes to its excellent stability. The high-grade steel construction ensures durability, while thoughtful extras like the fold-down material storage brackets and adjustable end stops make it a joy to work with. The Steelman Contractor Workstation is the perfect blend of performance, durability, and convenience. Its pros include professional-grade strength, excellent portability, and versatile features, while the cons are its higher price and heavier weight. If you're looking for the best miter saw stand with wheels, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.